Only in northern Jiangsu can you enjoy tofu prepared in more than 100 unique ways. Here, tofu is always handmade and never produced industrially. Among these, the Suining tofu roll, which costs just 50 cents, was once favored by Zhu Yuanzhang.
I am 58 years old and have been eating this since childhood every visit here.
Made by hand using real flavors, it tastes absolutely delicious.
Suining in Jiangsu is regarded as a birthplace of the ancient Huanghe and Han civilizations, and also served as a battlefield during the Three Kingdoms era. Tofu rolls from this area became popular as early as the Ming and Qing dynasties. Aunt Xiao's store, open for 25 years at the alley entrance, is very small and has no sign, yet is famous everywhere.
Most people sit right here after finishing their meal.
At 4 a.m., just before dawn, Aunt Xiao arrives early to prepare the filling. She selects local Suining Pubaofu tofu, fragrant and smooth with a light herb aroma. After mincing, she mixes in a little vermicelli, chopped scallions, and ginger strips. The seasoning is simple, just salt and ground Sichuan pepper. The handmade dough is soft and elastic. The filling is evenly spread, carefully rolled layer by layer, then cut into 2-finger-wide pieces.
Start by cooking slowly using a low flame for the best results.
Begin by using high heat until steam fades. Arrange the prepared tofu rolls in a pan. Pour in hot golden rapeseed oil. Allow the tofu rolls to pan fry slowly over low heat, adding hot water frequently to avoid burning and promote even cooking. Continue frying until both sides turn golden and crispy. Once they reach this texture, the tofu rolls are ready to be served.
I can eat 15 or 16.
Around 18 or 20 pieces.
The crispy exterior and tender interior only hint at its allure. Rich tofu flavor blends with scallion aroma, and when dipped in special chili sauce, every bite feels like meat. Though it lacks rare delicacies, its fresh fragrance has been enjoyed for generations. It also keeps precious memories and bonds of Suining people alive. No matter where they go, recalling this familiar taste comforts them amid the difficulties of being far from home.